Hello dear students, welcome to online classes of Sri Eknathra Kharche Talent English Medium School. This is Tiru sir, your English teacher. The students, we have already discussed this lesson and I have already explained to you with meanings. Now we are going to discuss the question and answer of this lesson. Okay, I hope you can understand perfectly and you can write the answer at your home. Okay, now we will go to the question and answer. The students, just we are reading, practice not discuss the question answer. First question is, who were the main character in the lesson Neha's alarm clock? In the Neha's alarm clock is Neha and her mother were the main character in the lesson. Next question is, what time did Neha clock ring every morning? Neha's clock ring every morning at 6 o'clock. Which time? 6 o'clock. Next question, what did the bird says? The bird says to wake up early in the morning. Very good. Next question is, what is inside of Neha that makes her get off at the same time every day? Got it? It should be capital. The inside of Neha's body clock. Neha's body clock. Neha's body clock makes her to get up at the same time every day. The students, very easy question and answer, each and everything you can understand properly and you can write the question and answer very nicely without any doubt. Okay, the students, this is the question answer of this lesson. Next session we are going to discuss its grammar part. Okay, thank you, bye bye.